We are going to show you how to use Kansas Analytics to improve the effectiveness of your 17% review. As an example, we will look at a particular neighborhood and use KA to quickly and easily determine which houses need extra focus. Those houses that might have some issues, that might be outside the norm for the neighborhood, and need to be checked closer in the review process. We will start in our residential grade review module and take a look at the county stats as a whole. In this particular county, there are 10,764 residentially improved parcels, with a median price per square foot of $104.30. That is the county's evaluation, not the sales prices. Our sales module produces similar results. Our 17% data collection will typically be tied to specific neighborhoods. So let's filter down to a particular neighborhood. For example, neighborhood 104. And we'll take a quick look at statistics for that specific neighborhood. There are 164 residentially improved properties with a median price per square foot of $163.35. You can see the minimum, the mean, the median, and the maximum range, and the sample count for a number of important factors. In addition to value per square foot, we have year built, total living area, land value, foundation type, CDU, and quality. You can look at any and all of these to see how consistent your data is. For example, under foundation types, almost all the properties are listed as full basements, but apparently there are one or two that are listed as partial. You may want to identify those properties and take a quick look and determine if they are listed correctly. In this example, we're going to focus on CDU ranges. You will notice that the majority of our CDUs are good, with a reasonable percentage at average plus. But we also have a handful of properties at an average or an average minus CDU, well outside the norm. If you want to find those properties, just go back to the filter, select CDU, and select average and average minus, reapply your filter, and review the statistics. So there are 5 properties in this neighborhood that have an average or an average minus CDU application. You can scroll through, take a look at those properties. Look for other issues, things in common with them. I can look at this and tell that there's one that also probably has a grade issue as well. You have now identified 5 properties just by looking at them that may need to be examined more closely. We have now used Kansas Analytics to isolate possible problem properties within a matter of minutes. Just one way that Kansas Analytics can be a valuable and easy to use tool in your office.